The Savings Experiment, presented by Bank of America and Visa, because frugal is the new cool.
If you're not already covered by your employer, dental insurance can be really expensive, costing an average of $400 annually for an individual plan and $1,200 for a family plan. Luckily, there is a more budget-friendly option available. Joining a Dental Price Club will give you access to a large network of dentists at discounted prices, typically up to 60% off the market rate. There are no copays. Instead, you pay a membership fee of around $75 to $150 for an individual plan. Family plans will cost about $50 more. Along with the low prices, there are other distinct advantages. Dental clubs can really save when it comes to non-routine services, such as root canals, cavity fillings, and tooth extractions. For example, the industry standard for a single tooth extraction runs around $167. Through a club, that same procedure will only cost about $81. That's a savings of over 50%. Now, if you were to do this through dental insurance, you could potentially be paying a copay of up to 60% of your total bill, especially for major restorative work. Joining a club can also get you discounts for cosmetic dental work, which dental insurances typically don't cover. You can often save up to 25% off braces and veneers, while full dentures can be up to 50% off depending on your coverage. Another bonus with dental clubs? No waiting period. Your coverage begins immediately upon sign-up, whereas for dental insurance, you might have to wait anywhere between 3 and 18 months before getting any major work done. To find a dental plan, check out dentalplans.com, where they have a great comparison chart of all the top plans, including Dental Save, Carrington, and Brighter. Once you choose your plan, go directly to the provider's website to sign up to avoid paying extra processing fees. So in the end, joining a dental club can potentially save you big, especially if you're looking for more cosmetic and non-routine services. Because you can still take good care of your teeth and have your budget shine as well. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and share how you save with Dental Price Clubs.
For more great videos, visit us at dailyfinance.com/savings-experiment.